Hello students, today we will see more about automation at workplace, and the second part in your syllabus is productivity enhancement tool given in point number 2 of 4 number of your scope of syllabus. So next thing you need to know how automation is being used in different business organizations like banks. In banks, keeping the cost of keeping the employees very costly, and the salary of bank employees are very high. Most of the banks are working on with government support and government intervention. That is why it is very much needed for consumers to use the services of banks, and it has been a uh, question for discussion, how much facility can be given in this cost cutting situation to consumers of banks. So as the technology has progressed, um, banks are also using the services provided through automation of different functions. First thing is you can see ATM. ATMs means automatic teller machine or automated teller machine, which means that these machines disburse cash by inserting the debit card or credit card or ATM card of a consumer. Anyone who is holding an account in a bank may be provided with these kinds of smart cards, which include credit card, debit card, and cash cards, through which money can be withdrawn. Now, earlier, people used to go to bank and withdraw money from the counters on which tellers are sitting. Using their time is very costly. That is why automated teller machines have been established by different banks, geographically distributed over whole area in which they operate and close to the branch in which the users are there, and these machines can disburse cash, and along with that, now a new service like passbook printing kiosk, since it has become a huge task in printing passbooks in the banks, and it was taking too much time and money. That is why this printing kiosk has been established outside these banks and along with maybe ATMs, so that any consumer can print their passbook without going into bank. Now, along with the disbursement of cash, now some um, ATMs also are depositing have depositing machines in which you can actually deposit cash also, and some boxes are also kept there to receive the checks, and later on these checks are transferred to the branches, and there they are processed or cleared or credited to the respective accounts. And SMS alert is also one of the services. Whenever any transaction is done through card or account by a consumer of the bank, then the SMS is sent on the registered mobile number of the users, so they can know where what their um, transactions are happening. Sometimes a consumer may lose a credit card or debit card, but he may not be aware of that. In that case, there may be huge loss of money. So SMS alerts uh, is another way to keep the consumer alert about the transactions being done in his account. We will see about this in live class again. So please read this part and be ready to ask your doubts. Thank you very much for listening.